Hello guys, so I'm recording with my mom's phone because my own phone is gone for a while. So you guys remember Samsung HASS, right? Voila, I connected it. And oh, what's this? Load control, what does it do? Water shot? You can't turn it on? No way! Wait. Look at it! And you can't keep it on as much as you want. Turn it off? No way. Okay, let's do another one. Dry? No, I don't want to dry. Pump? Drain. Oh. It's draining! And we can turn it off anytime. What's next? Heater? Washing. We just hear the click noise. Let me just turn it off. You hear that? Anyways, another one. Where's the motor? Motor. This is the cool part. Voila. I'm gonna put washing. Oh, I forgot to click it. Isn't this cool? Like, I'm one of the first people to actually manage to do something like this. Wait, I have a good idea. I have a very good idea. What if we have multiple things on? Water shots. Is it not gonna spin? Look at this. Oh my god. Oh, it stopped when we exited. Fan. It's actually working. We can turn it off. Isn't that super cool? And also over here, if we go to monitor, temp sensor, we have everything. Motor, pump, etc. The electronic control, I think that's something it meant, I don't know.